Introduction. What is an operating system? An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory, process, and all of its software and hardware. Windows 7, it is an operating system. Once the operating system has started up, it manages all of the software and hardware on the computer. What is desktop? The desktop is what you see when your computer starts. It will look like this. The desktop is split into two areas, the background wallpaper and the taskbar.